Guys, hey, welcome back to our channel. If y'all new here, guys, consider subscribing. If you guys are returning subscribers, oh yay, y'all are the real MVP. Thank you guys so much. Let's meet up in the comments, guys. Don't be afraid to like the video and leave a comment below, okay? Anyway, so this week I'm starting off doing my little cleaning job. If y'all are locally in Georgia, Clinton County, guys, if y'all need yes, it's a children's dentist, okay? Hit me up and I will give you her information, guys. They're really great when it comes to kids. They make them feel very comfortable and they'll want to come back, because you know people don't like the dentist, but these kids love coming back. That is how well they work. But anyway, y'all, so what is today's date? Today is the, what is it? Today's the 6th? Yeah, today's the 6th of December. Yeah, so I'm off today and tomorrow, so I'm gonna get caught up with certain things. I have some videos that I have to edit and just go through my monthly calendar to fill out whatever I need to do for the month, because you guys know Christmas is coming up too, and right behind that is New Year's and stuff. So your girl gotta kick it up a notch. But anyway, yeah.
So yeah, this is the lounge area, the break room. So I just finished washing the dishes. I know this is not something that she asked me to do, but she's so good to my husband, and if she's good to my husband, she's good to the family. So I don't mind doing anything extra for this lady. She's wonderful. Her family, everybody's wonderful. So I will always go that extra mile for her in anything she asks when it comes to cleaning, because your girl clean is like, it's something, it's like a habit. It's like a hobby. It's something that I get joy in doing. So I don't mind. So I wash the little dishes here. I swept the floor. So I use mop the floor last, because I don't like stepping over my floors after I mop it. So I'm going to, to the bathroom and everything else. So I will catch you guys when I'm on my way home. See ya. What's Hubby doing? Let me see what he doing. Babe, what you doing? What you doing? That's what happened. What you mean, who's that? Yeah, what you mean? Anyway, guys, so I'm going to catch y'all when I leave from here. Gang, gang.
So y'all, after I left the cleaning gig, we was hungry, and for some reason hubby decided he wanted seafood, which is crazy to me because he's really not a seafood fan. But what he do love is the sauce with the garlic and his sausage, his egg, and the rice and stuff. So that's really what he pretty much ate, because I ate most of the shrimp and then brought some home for KJ. Look at him showing y'all the sausage. Hey y'all, I'm hungry. I decided to stop at Dunkin' Donuts and I got me an iced coffee. Why is it so bright? Yeah, I got me a nice iced coffee. I decided to go with this one. It's okay. It could have been a little bit sweeter, but it's good. It'll do the job. I also got me a grilled cheese, but the grilled cheese, I'm not gonna eat it until lunchtime. I'm gonna heat it up and I'm gonna get me a can of tomato soup, because your girl's starting to feel like I've been sneezing a lot last night and I don't like getting sick. So I had me some tea last night, and yeah, I'm gonna eat that grilled cheese and tomato soup for lunch, because it just makes you feel a little better. Growing up as a kid, that's what you used to eat, right? Well, some of us. Then I just got me a classic donut, just for another sweet pop. I need to stop eating all this sweet. It's a classic donut. And then also for my breakfast, I got me a cheese, egg, and turkey sausage on a croissant, and that is what I'm going to eat before I go into work. I don't really be caring for the eggs all the time, but this looked pretty decent. So that's what your girl's going to eat. And yeah, to prepare myself for this work day. Child. That's all I'm going to say. That's all I'm going to say. But anyway, yeah, I was blasting my Christmas music this morning because Christmas music put me in such a good mood. And now that it's that season, that time of year, I can play it without people looking at me crazy. Because, yeah, I play Christmas music all year round. Take a bite. So good. I like their croissants. I like their croissant sandwich. I actually like Dunkin' Donuts little meals more than I do like Starbucks, because their stuff don't be having no taste to me. Yeah. So good. But anyway, I'm so tired of having this hat on, y'all, when I come to work, but I just can really never decide what I want to do next. But what I want to do now that my hair is longer for me cutting it, I want to do a classic sew-in. So I don't know if I'm going to do it like bone straight or wet and wavy. I'm leaning more on the side of wet and wavy. So that's what it's going to be. That's going to be my Christmas/New Year's hairstyle. So that's what I decided to do with my hair. I'll probably do that like closer to Christmas, probably next week sometime, so it can hold up for the new year, because that's gonna be my Christmas and my New Year's hairstyle. So yeah. I'm so excited, y'all, because a Christmas holiday just do something to me. We're going to I have a lot of stuff planned as far as like games and stuff like that. I know the kids are super excited. This year kind of was a little, had its little ups and downs and stuff, and we're just gonna push through it and hope for a better year next year. Learn from these mistakes and just try to do better the upcoming year. So anyway, y'all, that's what I wanted to do. I just came and just want to give you guys a brief rundown on how my day is going so far. This is a weekly vlog. So yeah, that's what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and finish eating my breakfast. I'm going to call my daughter, see how she's doing, because she has exams coming up, y'all, and you know, it's like a full-time job. So I just call her and check on her mentals and see how she's doing and stuff like that. I'll make sure she's good. So I will catch you guys tomorrow when I pick up the camera.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Yes, may I have, hello, good morning. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, thank you. So I'm going to try this coffee and see how this one tastes. The cookie butter cold brew. Yeah, so that's what this is. You see the little top? The top has the little cookies on top of it. Yeah. Ooh. I don't know if this one tastes better because I asked her for the whole work and extra sweetener. But this, guys, is hitting. So if you don't like your coffee sweet, you're not gonna like this one. And I don't taste the cookies yet. Is the cookie supposed to have a crunch to it? Because I don't taste the cookies, but that's good. I give that a 9 out of 10. That's good. And then now,
this can't be true. One slice of bread with avocado on top, and I think this is what is it called, the all seasoning or something like that, with the I can't even get what it is now, poppy seeds and sesame seeds and stuff. One slice of toast? No, either the picture on the screen when you're ordering is deceiving, or they forgot to give me my other slice of bread.
because I thought I was going to get 2 slices of bread. For real. It's good, though. This is good. I love avocado, so if you don't like it, you're not going to order it anyway. So it don't make no sense for me to tell me, if you don't like it, don't order it. If you don't like avocado, you know you're not going to order it. But I like this. It's a 10 out of 10. Well, I'll give it a 9 out of 10 because the bread could have been a little bit softer. I understand that they're going to put the avocado on top of it so they want it to be crunchy. They don't want the bread to get soggy. But they could have made the bread a little bit less toasted. Man, it is pouring. And that ain't gonna stop people from shopping anyway. They just gonna run up in there with umbrellas, dripping water everywhere. But anyway, I'm gonna go finish this off camera so I can hurry up to get my butt inside. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Love y'all. Hey guys, so I did not end the last weekly vlog, so this will be the ending of the last weekly vlog. So if you see me with the same outfit in the new vlog, just mind your business. Now I'm just playing. So you'll know that, yeah, I ended one vlog with the same thing on, and I'm starting a new vlog with the same thing on, okay? You know they say repeat is a sign of ownership. I don't want nobody clothes. I don't want nobody clothes. I need to put some contact in there. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for all the support. I say that over and over because I genuinely mean that. Yeah. So Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And let's meet up in the comments. Comment, you know? Like up the video. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend about KM Kingdom Vlogs. Ooh, child. That was stupid. So until next time, y'all. Peace.